Want to send money from the United States to abroad quickly and easily? Stick around as we compare two popular services, Western Union and Remitly, to help you find the best way to transfer your money. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. First up, Western Union. It's one of the oldest and most reliable money transfer services. Let's walk through how you can use it. Download the Western Union app from the App Store or Play Store. Launch the Western Union app and select the language. Next, sign up on the Western Union website or app by clicking on Join Now. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Hit Continue and verify your email address. Select Send Money and choose the country to which you want to send the money. You can select from a comprehensive list of countries. For Western Union, you need a valid ID, the recipient's detail, and a payment method. Input the amount you wish to send. Western Union will show you the exchange rate and any fees. You can choose bank transfer or cash pickup. Choose your payment method. You can use a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Accept the terms. Enter the required information, including the receiver's name, address, phone number, bank details, the reason for transfer, as well as your bank's information. The specific details needed may vary based on the method you selected. Next, let's look at Remitly. Known for its comprehensive rates and fast service, Remitly is a great option for many users. First, download the app. Sign up on the Remitly website or app, complete your profile and verify your account. Click on Create a new profile. Select the country you want to send the money to. Click on Next. Enter your email and create a strong password. Finally, hit Sign Up. Click on Get Started. Input the amount you want to send. Remitly will display the exchange rate and transfer fee. You need a valid ID to continue. Fill in the recipient's information, including their bank account if you are doing a bank transfer. Now, let's compare fees and exchange rates, which are crucial factors when choosing a service. For Western Union, transfer fee vary based on the amount, speed, and payment method. Exchange rate is typically include a markup over the mid-market rate. For Remitly, transfer fee is generally lower than the Western Union, especially for larger amounts. However, exchange rate is more competitive with smaller markups. Speed can be a game changer. Here is how these services stack up. For Western Union, cash pickup is within minutes. Similarly, for Remitly's express service, cash pickup is within minutes. For bank transfer, Western Union take 1 to 3 business days in Remitly, whereas for economy transfer, 3 to 5 business days, but cheaper. Both services offer robust security features to protect your money and personal information. Western Union uses encryption and fraud detection systems. You also get a tracking number for every transfer. Remitly offers 24/7 customer service and strong encryption. They also provide tracking and notifications. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.